biggest defense and aviation expo, Aero India 2025, has begun here in Bangalore. The event is big, with more than 900 exhibitors taking part. We have representation from more than 80 countries. Close to 40 defense ministers from all across the world are taking part, and we have a confirmation of close to 30 service chiefs from all across the world. The first day is a mix of a number of activities where we have seen that how Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh inaugurated the event first, followed by an air show where we saw a number of aircraft taking part in different maneuvers, and then we are going to see CEO's roundtable today. The event is going to focus on Make in India approach of the Defense Ministry, and we are going to see a number of aircraft, drones, UAV technology, weapons, missiles, and a number of related things.
Shri Sanjay Seth, Honorable Rajya Raksha Mantri, Shri Nephyu Rio, Honorable Chief Minister Nagaland, Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar, Deputy CM Karnataka, Honorable Defence Ministers and other participants from friendly countries, General Anil Chauhan, Chief of Defence Staff, Admiral D.K. Tripathi, Chief of Naval Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of Army Staff, Dr. Shalini Rajneesh, Chief Secretary Government of Karnataka, Shri Rajesh Kumar Singh, Defence Secretary, Shri Sanjeev Kumar, Secretary Defence Production, Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, Vice Chief of Air Staff, अन्य गणमान्य प्रतिनिधि और अधिकारीगण, मीडिया के मित्रों, देवियों और सज्जनों, एरो इंडिया 2025 के इनागुरेशन के इस ग्रैंड ऑकेजन पर आप सभी के बीच उपस्थित होना यह मेरे लिए सम्मान और गर्व का विषय है। मैं समझता हूं कि एरो इंडिया के रूप में आज से भारत में एक और महाकुंभ का प्रारंभ हो रहा है, जहां एक तरफ प्रयागराज का महाकुंभ आत्मसंधान का कुंभ है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ एरो इंडिया का यह महाकुंभ अनुसंधान का कुंभ है। जहां एक तरफ प्रयागराज का महाकुंभ आंतरिक मजबूती पर ध्यान दे रहा है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ एरो इंडिया का यह महाकुंभ हमारी बाहरी मजबूती पर ध्यान दे रहा है। जहां एक तरफ प्रयागराज का महाकुंभ भारत की संस्कृति को दर्शा रहा है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ एरो इंडिया का यह महाकुंभ भारत की शक्ति को दर्शा रहा है। एक तरफ जहां परंपरा और अध्यात्म का महाकुंभ चल रहा है, तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ पराक्रम और आयुध का महाकुंभ चल रहा है। हाल ही में हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड को महारत्न का दर्जा भी प्राप्त हुआ है। यह हम सब के लिए एक गौरव का विषय है। नए कॉर्पोरेटाइज हुए डीपीएसयूज ने भी शानदार परफॉर्मेंस दिखाते हुए कम समय में ही अपनी काबिलियत साबित कर दी है। हमारे डिफेंस मैन्युफैक्चरर्स कोलैबोरेटिव अप्रोच के साथ तेजी से काम कर रहे हैं और डिफेंस सेक्टर को मजबूती व प्रदान कर रहे हैं।
Major presence at Aero India is US stealth fighter F-35. This is the second time that this has been brought to this air show, brought to Aero India. Remember, we have seen the stealth fighter of Russia, the Sukhoi Su-57, and competing with that is US's F-35. Obviously, F-35 stands out for its state-of-the-art computing, the kind of weapon range it has, the onboard mission systems, and the sensors and the long-range weapons that it can carry. And in fact, this is something that US has been in a way sending feelers to India when India looks at having or buying a fifth-generation fighter, although the country wants to develop its own fifth-generation fighter. But these two are going head-on. Russia offering the Sukhoi 57 and US displaying its F-35 here.
It is my immense privilege to be a part of this great inauguration on the 50th edition of Aerospace of 2025, a premier platform that showcases India's growth, strengthened in the aerospace and defense. Karnataka particularly, as you all are in Bangalore, has been at the forefront of the journey, leading innovation and attracting global partnership. Today, you all have been witnessing the Bangalore and Karnataka, which is in India, the aerospace capital, contributing over 60% of the country's aerospace manufacturing and defense research. It is a home of HAL, ISRO, Boeing, India and other world-class aerospace institutions that drive innovation and development. Over 150,000 professionals work in the city aerospace sector, making it a global leader in innovation and defense technology.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV 18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.